Today, we have an exciting adventure where we transform trucks into transformers. But before we dive into this thrilling action, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our new videos. Titan X1 as a transformer. Goliath V8 as a transformer. Colossus CR as a transformer. Tornado XT as a transformer. Phantom R5 as a transformer. Thunderbolt LX as a transformer. Avalanche RXD as a transformer. Cyclone FX as a transformer. Titanium X9 as a transformer. Inferno GT as a transformer. Rampage K7 as a transformer. Vortex X2 as a transformer. Dominus R8 as a transformer. Behemoth T9 as a transformer. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Let us know in the comments which other vehicles you'd like to see transformed. Don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our latest episodes. Also, check out our channel for more exciting videos.